I just finished a live stream. I rode from Sturgis down to Van Acker Canyon to Nemo Road over to 385 up here to through Lead into Spearfish Canyon and all the way through Spearfish Canyon to this end of it, and just came from that direction. And right now I ended the live stream and I'm going to film a regular video now. I'm going to go ahead into Spearfish Canyon and do some stops in there. And so I have got a regular video too. Kind of got a little wind right now, but anyway, this is what it looks like right here. Right over there, this the entrance to the beginning of Spearfish Canyon. And I'm right at this parking area right here. Let me take a look. And we still got people riding. It's a beautiful day today. Okay, so I'm going to hop on the bike and let's go head into Spearfish Canyon. Yep, Bridalveil Falls. Okay, I'm behind the trees right now, so let's go over there and take a look at it. So there we go. A lot of people here. Well, anyways, I'm going to head on to my next stop. All right, I'm at my next destination, and this is the Long Valley picnic area. And of course, I'm going to have a little bite to eat. And I'm right next to the road of Spearfish Canyon. So I get to sit here and watch the bikes go by and listen to them go by. And I'm at a different picnic table than usual because people were already at the one that I usually sit at. But so, anyways, at least I can still get a glimpse of them coming by and still hear them and everything. So I'm going to have a little bite to eat and talk to you a little bit. All right, I just finished up my snack here, my meal, and I am going to may as well take a quick walk around here. At Long Valley picnic area. And so let's go over there and take a look at the place. Okay, let's go take a look at the creek. Wait a minute, I want to check. Let's go look at it over here first. I'm not in my normal the picnic spot I usually use is down there, but people were already in that when I got here, so I used this one instead. That's still nice. In fact, I used this one several years before I discovered the other one. I started using that one. Alright, kind of a little trail here. Okay, there's this Spearfish Creek. Man, it's beautiful here. Huh. Okay, back up here. Yeah, this is a good spot here to, they have kind of like the steps down there. I just like soaking my feet down there. That's where I always go to soak my feet. I'm not going to take the time to do that today. It's getting kind of later in the day already. I need to do, we have a few more things to look at here in Spearfish Canyon. And then I still want to do another live stream. Here I am. See, stand right here and see. Okay, that's not very impressive. Of course, I just came out from right there. Maybe we'll go look at this platform too. Real quick, like. Beautiful. Look how clear the water is. Man, it's nice. And of course, there's the pit toilet. All right, I'll head back to my bike and head down the road. All right, I'm at Rock Falls right now. We'll come out to this little platform first and look at the river flowing by, the creek I should say. Yeah, I don't see much of this one. So let's go over to the other one. Got a nice little picnic area here too. That's the top of the falls right there. Rock Falls. All right, I am going to walk down to the lower part there. We can see the falls a whole lot better. For Rock Falls, I am. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it for Spearfish Falls, though. Depends on how much time I want to dedicate to it. I'm not sure. But here's another view of it from here. You kind of see more of it from this angle. There we go. It's really a pretty view from down below there too. Yeah, from down there, the view is really nice. You got a bridge here to go over the Spearfish Creek. Water flows under the bridge to that direction. Man, beautiful. You see a fish down there. There it is, right there. There's the falls back there. All right, heading back up the bike and gonna head over to the trailhead for the parking area for Spearfish Falls. I might just look at that one just from the brink, from the top of the falls. I don't think I'm gonna take the time to walk all the way down to it, to the base to look at it from there, but we'll see. All right, I'm definitely not going to walk all the way down there. I just parked right there real quick. Parking lot's too full, so I don't want to wait for an open spot. So we're just going to take a look at Spearfish Falls from the top here. But first we'll look at the Spearfish Creek coming right here by this platform. I'll go take a quick look at the brink of the falls. Okay, here we are. There's the top of the falls right there. Falls all the way down there. And I think I want to think it's a half-mile walk to get down there. Quarter mile maybe. I can't remember how far it is. But from down there it's a really nice view, but I don't have enough time to walk down there this year. So anyways, that's how it looks like from the top here. Okay, I'm going to head over back to the other end of Spearfish Canyon where I did the first clip for this video, and I'm going to start to do a live stream from there back to Sturgis. So okay, so yeah, I'll do one more clip when I get over there. Okay, I'm back over here to this parking lot here right at the beginning of Spearfish Canyon. Kind of getting cloudy now. But anyways, that's going to wrap up this video, and there's a couple of YouTube channels that I want to mention. First one I really wanted to mention is Professional Monkey. He's a larger channel, way larger than mine, and he's mentioned my channel before and recently, and that kind of helps me get a little bit of exposure. So I want to thank him for that, and I want to mention if you haven't subscribed to him, to look up on YouTube Professional Monkey. So that's one channel, and the other channel is for information for the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally, and also information on rallies all across the country. Bob and Tam's Excellent Adventure on YouTube. Okay, so they give a lot of information that they look up and research, and they bring us lots of information. And for Sturgis this year, they were here like 6 weeks early, and they're doing all updates as the rally came closer, and that kind of helps build anticipation for when the rally starts. So anyways, that's the other channel I wanted to mention, and that's Bob and Tam's Excellent Adventures. So okay, so that's going to wrap up this video. I'm going to get ready to do a live stream, and I'm going to ride through Spearfish Canyon over to Sturgis. So okay, so all right, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.